Ever wondered how to make a pie without the hassle of dough? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to reveal a simple and delicious recipe for a no-dough chicken and vegetable pie. First, you'll need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, grab a pie dish or baking dish and give it a nice coat of cooking spray or butter to prevent sticking. Now let's move on to the filling. Start by heating some oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add in diced chicken breast and cook until it's no longer pink in the center. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add in some diced onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté them until they're tender and slightly caramelized. Next, add in some minced garlic and cook for another minute or so until it becomes fragrant. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet and mix everything together. Now, it's time to add some flavor. Season the mixture with salt, pepper, dried thyme, and a pinch of nutmeg. Stir well to evenly distribute the seasonings. To thicken the filling, sprinkle some flour over the mixture and stir until it's well incorporated. This will help absorb any excess moisture and give the pie a nice consistency. Now slowly pour in some chicken broth and stir until the mixture thickens. This will create a delicious gravy-like sauce that will bind all the ingredients together. Once the filling is thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. While it's cooling, take out your pie dish and roll out a sheet of puff pastry. Carefully transfer the puff pastry sheet onto the pie dish, making sure it covers the entire surface. Trim off any excess pastry hanging over the edges. Now pour the chicken and vegetable filling into the pie dish, spreading it out evenly. Finally, cover the pie with another sheet of puff pastry, sealing the edges by pressing them together with a fork. Make a few slits on the top to allow steam to escape during baking. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and crispy. Once the pie is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious no-dough chicken and vegetable pie that's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy! Next, it's time to prepare the filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of shredded chicken, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, half a cup of diced onions, and half a cup of diced bell peppers. Add half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix well until all ingredients are evenly combined. If you want to add a little extra flavor, consider folding in some diced ham or cooked bacon. This is also the perfect time to add any other ingredients you love. Remember, this recipe is customizable to your taste. Once your filling is ready, pour it into the prepared dish, spreading it out evenly. Then, place it in your preheated oven and bake for around 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and the center has set. After baking, allow your no-dough pie to cool for a few minutes before slicing into it. If you want to add a bit of flair, garnish it with some fresh herbs like parsley or chives. And there you have it, a delicious, easy-to-make, no-dough chicken and vegetable pie. Perfect for a quick and satisfying meal, especially for those who are new to baking or simply want a break from the traditional pie. Enjoy!